Welcome back to another video. Today we found at the used goods store an old Texas Instrument calculator from the 1970s for $3.99. Let's open her up and see if it works. So we got out of the package and the back loose, and it has what appears to be a rechargeable battery pack. Takes a 9-volt battery. There's the, I'm pretty sure you can put a portable battery in it, but how do you put the cover back on is beyond me. I'm not sure.
This kid.
Maybe the top of this opens up, I don't know.
Oh, this kid is like...
There's the, can't see it now. There's the model number, serial number, if you can read it. Anyway, we're going to grab a 9-volt battery if I have one and boot it up. Sec. So we got a battery hooked into it, and it works. Well, the power's on anyway. Let's try a couple. 1, 2, 3. Only goes up to 8. But there you go. My $3.99 vintage calculator works like it should. Where's the clear button? Yeah.
I see you.
5 times 8 should be 40. There we go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.